To use WhatsApp on laptop and PC. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following tutorial, I'll show you how can you use WhatsApp on laptop and PC. To do it so, you could now first thing you would either download the WhatsApp application or else you could also use the web version. Now in the web version, you want to open up a browser. So when you go to web.whatsapp, then it's going to take you to the next field where you could see this sort of page. So basically you have to follow these steps. You could see the list I mentioned here. You need to first of all open the WhatsApp on your device. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to exit and I'm going to take a screen record from my video now. Next time you need to do is open up my WhatsApp application and then you want to tap on the three dot icon, go to settings, then you want to go ahead and click on link device. However, you could also find it right on this page. Click the link device option and click on link device. Now here you have to go ahead and authenticate your all that, and you just have to simply go ahead and scan the QR code. So here I am going to tap on the OK button. Once I do it, so it's gonna log in. So as you can see that I'm successfully logged in. So this is how you could use WhatsApp in your laptop or PC. Now you could then use it in the same manner as you could send messages. You could also make a video call or voice call, all that. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.